What's up, guys? Back again in the shop with my homie Cuddy B back there. Boom. And today we got some goodies in the mail. We got a few things, but the one I'm really focusing on today is a cool catch can we got from DTR Header, or Danny Tran Racing. He made us an awesome catch can that we're going to be putting on the race car. I think it is very high quality. It looks really nice and has a cool mounting position. So I'm going to open this box up with you and we'll check it out. All right, guys, so we got this cool box in today from DTR Header, Danny Tran Racing. I've already opened it up and I kind of looked at it, but I wanted to give y'all a sneak peek of what this thing looks like. It's a really high quality, handcrafted by Danny Tran. 2-10 bungs. Says DTR right there on the aluminum. It's beautiful. I haven't cleaned it, it has my fingerprints on it. Beautiful filter on it. This one mounts actually right here on the bay. So you can run your right here, you can run your nice breather and everything like that from your valve cover, which will be right here. Run some -10 lines right into there. It's going to look really nice. I'm pretty sure you can position it everywhere else, to like other locations as well, except you probably won't see the DTR if you do. This right here specifically mounts there so you can see the logo. So it looks really nice. Really thankful for Danny for this piece. It's beautiful. Came in very quick. Very good quality craftsmanship. Look at those welds. Beautiful. Lightweight aluminum. It's baffled inside too. When I took off the filter, I could see that it has baffling inside. Looks beautiful. Very thankful for Danny to give us that. Not to give us that, to make that for us. And now we have a beautiful catch can for our race car. I love Danny Tran. He does a lot of your headers for you. Be sure to check him out. Very high quality headers. A lot of his headers are used in professional drag racing. He's been doing it for a long time. DTR headers have been gone back since early 2000s and before that. I think a long time ago it was High Tech Header, and then but the other competition to High Tech Header was DTR, which is Danny Tran Racing. Been around forever. DTR then later was SSR, which is Six Sigma Racing, and is now back to DTR. So check out Danny. I believe their website is like dtrheader.com or something like that. If not, you can type in Google DTR Header and they'll come up. And go order yourself one of those beautiful catch cans, guys. They have beautiful catch cans on their site. They have titanium hardware. If you're running a swap K series or B series, they have beautiful hood exit, side exit headers, street headers that go under your car. I mean, beautiful craftsmanship. I mean, there are many imitators of Danny's product, but only one originator, and that's Danny Tran Racing. So be sure to check him out. Amazing guy and an amazing product. Thanks.